Good day traders, and welcome to a new YouTube video here on our channel. And in today's video we're going to show you some nice trading setups for this week. I will make also some updates because we already uploaded on Saturday a nice weekly analysis video for you. And yeah, I just added some pairs to my watch list and I'm going to update some of the pairs, and I will show you some nice trading setups. Yeah, already I posted some setups on TradingView, so make sure to check them out as well. But in this video I want to go more in detail, okay? And for all those who want to trade but they do not have the time for that, guys, please check out Gbp FX. This is very simple. You just open an account with Forex and then you connect your account to our account. As you can see, we have a profitability of over 300%, and yeah, only what you need is to have $500 at least. I recommend 1K because with 1K you're going to make some nice profits. We're going to make 40% profit share, so 60% is for you and 40% is for us. And also if you look on the rating, yeah, we're the #1 trader on this whole platform. We had over 2.8k profit, so yeah, definitely check it out. And for all those guys who want to join our Signal group, guys, this is the result of last week. So you were able to make about 50 to 75% with our signals. Yeah, a lot of you guys joined our Signal group. We are already over 70 members over here. Yeah, guys, make sure to check it out. The whole links are in the description down below. And yeah, let's get started with the weekly analysis, guys, and with the whole updates. I will start with the DXY as always. I'm using DXY as my correlation pair, as I already told you, and it is very important for me because yeah, the more confirmations I got on my setups, the better they are. And on DXY I see dropping, like I already told you, from this monthly resistance, which is also a monthly supply zone, and I'm expecting to hit this support area over here. And I already mentioned to you that we could see some retest of this structure over here, this weekly / monthly structure, and perfect in alignment we got there and for our supply area. So this could be definitely one possibility for the DXY for a retracement, or the second one would be actually that we're only tap into this supply zone like we already do, and if we got here some nice price action confirmation, then we're going to push down. This is the first scenario, and this is the second one for the DXY. Okay, gold. Yeah, this is what I was posting today on TradingView, because I'm expecting actually that we're going to continue with the bull run on gold, as we got this continuation pattern over here. And if we look on the 1 hour, these are the zones and levels that we got. So gold already pushed higher today, and we went higher than the resistance, creating this new high over here. Then price came back down, and yeah, it created this supply area. Now we got two possibilities. We got the possibility that price is going to rise again to the upside, make a little bit of a correction before it will continue to move more to the upside, or the second one is that we're going to push down over here and then we're going to continue with the move to the upside. But I definitely expect that gold is going to rise more to the upside. Also, you can use this support area over here as an additional help for you if you need it. But yeah, me personally, I'm expecting that gold is going to rise more to the upside because we do not have any kind of confirmation for short right now. So I've seen a lot of people talking about, we're going to short gold right now, but we do not have any kind of confirmations for that. The only confirmation for short, in my opinion, is if we're going to manage to break this area over here, okay, because this is an important demand area as well. And if we are able to break this zone, then I'm going to look for any nice short setups. But since then we are still above, I'm looking only to buy gold, and it will provide us with a good risk reward, because if we're going to manage to break this resistance and that we'll make a nice retest at it, then I'm expecting that gold is going to fly again for another 200, 300 or even 400 pips. Now let's switch to EURUSD. Yeah, just a quick update on it. If you want to see the full breakdown on it, then check it out on TradingViewer or on the last YouTube video. Well, I see here this daily structure over here, and if we want to see a short on EURUSD, we need to definitely break this structure. Otherwise, I see EURUSD flying more to the upside, and if we are going to manage to break it, then this daily demand is my next take profit level. And as well, we got here a 4-hour demand area, which is able to push the price also higher. So you can make a 4-hour trade, which will be pushed from here till this resistance. This will be one trading opportunity, or you let it open for the extended TP, like I mentioned on my long-term view. So both setups are possible, but important for you is if you're going to take this 4-hour trade, then you also need to definitely take a look on the daily, because if we're going to have a daily price action confirmation at this daily support, then we're going to achieve the extended TP. So this is actually why you need to keep that in mind if you're going to make a 4-hour trading setup. That 4-hour only works till 4-hour take profit levels, which is this one. But if it will be perfect in alignment with the daily, then you can let it open and you can achieve the final take profit on the daily. Now, Aussie dollar. Yeah, guys, this is actually what I was posting today on TradingView as well. And I will make on Aussie dollar full breakdown review, because it is kind of a nice pair right now. And on Aussie dollar, what we can see that we are in an overall downtrend actually. So we were actually, because right now price managed to break this trend line, and as well it created a new high. This was the previous lower high and this was the lower low, and afterwards you expect now this impulsive move to the upside, and then it is followed by a retracement, and then it will continue to make this bullish structure to the upside. Okay, so this is what we expect right now on Aussie dollar. We're expecting a nice trend change. And yeah, now let's define our levels. This is a very interesting and important support structure. Also from a weekly perspective, this is very nice, and we can expect that we are going to test this level. Okay, and if we're now switching now to the daily, we can see on the daily that we got this daily structure level, and I definitely expect the price is going to push a little bit more down. And if we're going to make here a nice price action confirmation for long, then I'm going to jump into longs on Aussie dollar and ride the waves to the upside, and I will go with the trend. And if not, if price managed to break this demand area, then I'm going to short it till this then I'm going to short it till this support area over here. So very easy, very simple setup on Aussie dollar. We just need to monitorize price action on the daily and we're good. Now GBP USD, also very interesting, because guys, we already hit our take profit level, and from a monthly perspective, we definitely expect that we're going to hit this resistance, but we can now see some nice correctional move to the downside, and the question is, how much are we going to retrace? Well, I've seen a lot of people talking about GBPUSD, and a lot of you want to see big shorts, and me personally, I do not believe that we're going to make that big shorts. Therefore, I marked two possibilities. The first one would be a short till this 4-hour demand area, and the next opportunity will also be this short till this daily structure. This is also possible, and also possible is that we are not going to make any sort of retracement, because already we made some retracement, of course, but we can push higher from here straight. This is also possible. Very important is that we're going to monitorize the daily before we're going to take any trading decisions. So for me, GBPUSD is kind of tricky right now to trade, because we got so many possibilities. Therefore, me personally, I will look to buy it at one of these levels. Now, Aussie GPY. Now let's go and go straight to GBPJPY because they are very similar. On GBPJPY, I definitely expect some retracement because yeah, from this structure, guys, we pushed very high on GBPJPY, and as we can see, this pair loves to make some retracement, and I definitely expect that we're going to make some retracements to the downside. So this would be for me a nice demand area for retracement. As you can see, this is a very strong one, and also here we are at the daily and H4 supply zone, and we can definitely expect some nice retracement to the downside. And this is another level to also keep an eye on it, because very important for you is to understand if you got two demand levels right behind, then most of the times the other one works better, so this one, but it doesn't need to. Okay, what I like more on this level is that we got also an alignment with the support structure. This is what looks for me better right now, but I cannot tell you right now which one is going to be better. Therefore, we're going to definitely monitorize price action before we're going to take this trade till the with the long. Okay, now Aussie GPY, yeah, also very interesting pair and very similar to Aussie Dollar. As you can see, also here we were in this downtrend and price already broke out. Okay, and also looks like we already retest this structure, which is also very great, and I like it. So you got also in addition this resistance over here, as you can see, but price created a new high over here, so it definitely went higher. So this is actually good. But now the question for us is right now, are we going to go straight to the upside, or are we going to make some retracement? Well, this is actually right now a little bit tricky because we need to have a deeper close on the daily. And what we can see on the daily, well, you can see this support structure. This is the first level. So one opportunity is that we're going to buy it straight from this support with the move to the upside. This is one opportunity. In alignment with this, we got a daily demand over here. And if we look on the 4 hour, what do we got on the 4 hour? On the 4 hour, we got a demand over here. So as you can see, a lot of areas and a lot of different prices. Okay, so this is actually why you can see on Aussie GPY making so many consolidation over here, because it likes to tap in this zone, it likes to tap in this level, and again new zone. And this is why Aussie GPY has this different kind of behavior, because it has too many levels. This is why me personally, I do not trade this pair very often, but if we're going to get a nice opportunity on it, then of course I'm going to trade it. And right now it looks like price is going to respect this demand area, so therefore we're going to monitorize price action into this area before we're going to trade it. And a nice take profit level would be definitely this one or this one. So these two supply zones we also got Aussie GPY. Okay, so one take profit and extended take profit. This is what I see right now on Aussie GPY. Me personally, I'm not looking for any shorts right now on it. I'm looking to buy it. The only short opportunity that we got on Aussie GPY is if we're going to manage to break this demand structure. Okay, if we will break it, then I will definitely look for a nice short on it, because then we can expect a nice short move till this support over here. Okay, but otherwise I'm expecting price is going to push more to the upside and some retracements, but it should definitely continue with this trend change and with this move to the upside. Now EURGBP, also very nice pair, and great confirmations. This is what I want to cover up now. On EURGBP, you can see this downtrend structure. Okay, and price already broke out. Okay, so this is a nice breakout because this was the previous high. Okay, so previous high, and price boom smashed it and yeah, it is about to continue with the new trend, so that we're going to move like this. And in addition, we got this W formation, and if we got a W formation, this is very powerful pattern and very great to trade in. Yeah, we also have it on the monthly, which is even more powerful. So what do we expect right now? We expect on the monthly the price is going to retest the neckline area, so over here, that we're going to retest this structure before we're going to continue with the move to the downside. Okay, so this was also a nice pattern over here, okay, because this was a wick, and we expect from such wicks that the next candle is going to fill in this wick. Why? Very simple. Let's have a look on the weekly. This wick was only created due to this movement over here. So this was actually an impulsive move to the upside, followed by the retracement, which is wave number 2, guys. And the monthly candle closed actually over here, therefore it had this big wick. And why do we expect that we're going to fill in the wick? Because after wave 2 we expect wave number 3, which is also an impulsive one, and this is the next candle who is supposed to fill in this wick. Okay, pretty simple pattern, and I hope you enjoy, you already understand it. Now from a weekly, guys, I'm expecting that we're going to test this structure, and perfect in alignment we got this weekly demand area, guys, and this is why we can expect the price is going to test this level, and then we're going to manage to look for a nice long opportunity. This is what I see right now on EURGBPY. And for those who want to short it right now, well guys, this is for me right now a little bit difficult to tell you, because we need to spot some levels. Let me have a look if we got some nice levels. Let me check the monthly. Yeah, actually not the best, but yeah, we got here a structure level. Okay, this is one on the monthly, candle closed perfectly. Then you got this monthly supply, which is not a strong one because it has not big movement, but can also consider it as a supply zone. And you need now to monitorize price action first on the weekly. If you got on the weekly a nice price action confirmation, this would be great. Also on the daily it is good, but from a daily, guys, it is kind of tricky right now to define and price action confirmation, because we are still in a bullish structure. So from a daily perspective, guys, we need to break through this structure. Oops. We need to break through this structure. And if we manage to break through the structure, then you can aim for this short, okay? Very simple, not very difficult. And now let me map again my target for retracement. This will be actually this area over here. And yeah, perfect. I like to see that, because if I see my demand areas perfect in alignment with my patterns and my structure levels, then I'm very satisfied, and I love such setups, because these are so good setups. They're so big high probabilities, and this is why I'm always looking to catch those setups. And right now, personally, I'm looking for the break of this support structure. Then it can drop down till this support, then it can retest the structure, and then we're going to take our nice short setup on EURGBPY. So pretty easy setup. Now USDCAD. Yeah, USDCAD very nice and very simple as well. We are pushing right now from this monthly resistance, and I'm expecting that we're going to push to this monthly support over here. Then we got this weekly support, which was responsible for this move to the upside. And also we got actually this impulsive move to the downside, followed by this correction move to the upside. And now we expect the next impulsive move to the downside. Now, we got this indecision candle here on the weekly perspective, which showed us, we got pressure from the support, and therefore we can expect that this is going to create the move to the upside in order to retest this daily structure, which is perfect in alignment with our 4-hour swap zone. So this is one trading opportunity on USDCAD in order for you to monitorize price action over here, because as you can see, price formed this W formation here. Now tapped into the support, and then you expect this move to the upside. Very simple setup on USDCAD. Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Yeah, I have it on my watch list because we are already did a nice trade on Dow Jones, but it's kind of difficult. Actually, yeah, it's really kind of difficult because it is bullish structure right now, and it looks like we're going to reverse. Okay, so it looks like we're going to push much more deeper to the downside. But what I can tell you actually is that, yeah, this is an daily supply zone over here, okay? And price is in this correctional pattern over here, and we can actually expect that price is going, yeah, to drop down over here till this structure level. This is what I'm looking right now. This is my setup on Dow Jones. Right now, this was a demand area. As you can see, boom, price respected it heavily, make this big bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour, and now price is again retesting it. Now we need to see how price is going to react on this area again, because we got now the opportunity that Dow Jones is going to move to the upside, or that we're going to manage to break this demand area and we're going to push even lower. This is what I see on Dow Jones right now. Now Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin. Oh, we're floating in so much decent profits right now. We took an entry over here at this triangle breakout, and since then we're holding our position. As you can see, we broke through the daily, weekly structure over here, then made this retest like I was expecting it. And let me remove this one over here. This was actually what I was talking to Stibo, because I'm expecting actually that we're going to get now into the distribution phase, and afterwards I'm expecting that we're creating this kind of a triangle pattern in order to get the next impulsive move to the upside on Bitcoin. And as you can see, this was a big trap on Bitcoin, because a lot of people, yeah, joined the bulls, but too late. Okay, they joined it over here, they joined it over in this area. And then, yeah, a big bank just played a little bit with the stop loss of these traders, and yeah, they hunted it. So you can see this was just a stop hunt movement. This is such a big movement in one daily candle. So, or sorry, one 1 hour candle. Let me check. Okay, this was actually a big trap. Yeah, this was a 5-minute candle. Yeah, this was actually a big trap on Bitcoin, just in order to do a little bit of stop hunting. But yeah, we were sure, because we took an entry here. We are risk-free since this day actually. Our stop loss is on entry, and right now we're just waiting for price to push even higher, and this is actually what we should expect, because this was the move to the upside, and now this was the retest over here, and afterwards you expect price to continue to move to the upside. Same scenario on Ripple, indecision candle at this weekly supply zone. On the daily supply zone / on the weekly, you got this rejection, but yeah, price actually is continuing to move to the upside. Me personally, I'm expecting that we're going to push a little bit down, because you got this W formation, and then to make this retest at this neckline before we continue with the next movement to the upside. But yeah, it is Ripple, guys. It is not necessary that this is going to happen. If we got a lot of investors in Ripple, then we are not going to make this movement to the downside. But actually, as you can see, I want to show you how good supply and demand actually works in a trending market. You got here a demand area, and price went up, retested it, and boom. Okay, so this is incredible trade if you know how to trade it, because you need to work with buy limits in this case, and only then you would have managed to catch this movement. But yeah, guys, this was actually my weekly outlook, my weekly updates for this week, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to join our winning team, guys, with the Signal group or with Gbp FX, then just check out the link below and you can join it. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. and we will see then next time with a new update and new videos here on YouTube, and of course also on TradingView, guys. Okay, bye bye.